Hey guys, it's Amy with Aim to Plan, and I am here with some sticker flip throughs from the spring 2021 release. So you can see here that this is a brand new sticker book. It is being released. For right now, the only place that I know that this will be released is at Michael's because that's where I was able to pick this one up. I will, in the description, have the SKU number as well as a link directly to the sticker book if you're interested in looking at it on the Michael's website. But this one is part of the Happy Planners collaboration with the Disney Princess. This one is called Strong at Heart, and so brand new sticker book for spring 2021, and I'm really excited about flipping through it. So this one does have 560 pages, and let's just jump into it. I did do a really super quick flip through of it on my Michael's haul video, but I'm really excited to kind of sit and look at these. This is done by I guess a different illustrator than the original collaboration with Disney, and so this is just kind of more of, I feel like, an adult version of the Disney stickers. These are so cute. It all starts with a dream, dreamer, so cute. Just be kind. There's kind of like an ocean kind of vibe in the background here. That's super cute. All right, these stickers are so stunning. All right, loving the journey. And then here's like an Ariel gold foiling on clear. Oh gosh, this is gonna be so amazing to use. Okay, and then here are some boxes. So pretty. This is cute. I love that one. Bold and curious. This is just stunning. I love this. Okay. Cinderella then. So Ariel, Cinderella. Right, this one says radiate kindness, sparkle all the time, be true, be you, choose joy today, strong at heart. This is cute. I love that. I just love the is it font or is it someone's hand lettering? I'm actually not sure, but it's very pretty, wherever that came from. Like this quote right there. I love that. Right, and again, like Cinderella is in rose gold foiling. Ariel was in gold, but Cinderella is in rose gold, which makes so much sense. And then it kind of is like a decorative, functional. So here are some more boxes. These are so cute. I don't know if you can tell, but these do have like either dot grid or graph inside, so you can at least stay straight when you write, because I really have a problem with that. Dream with all your heart, never stop making wishes, let your dreams lead the way. Right, and then here are some just quotes. All right, so this one was the one that was with Cinderella, bold and curious. I feel like I saw that with Ariel. All right, so we're, I guess, getting kind of a preview of some of the other stickers in here. Here is Belle. Gosh, so pretty. I love it. Oh, this one says radiate kindness too, so I guess it's not necessarily like princess specific quotes, which makes sense, right? And then here's Belle's, like the silhouette, or like, like the full figure. Be true, be you. You are made of magic, and it's rose gold as well. So pretty. Look at that. Again, like these have graph or dot grid in them. More functional boxes. This one says have grace. You are stronger than you know. Strong at heart. She's so sassy here. I love that. Right? Then Tiana. Never give up on your dreams. These are so pretty. Wow. Okay. Radiate kindness. Okay. And this is, again, rose gold. That makes me want to check the Ariel one. Did I just say it was gold and it was really rose gold? So let me go back and check. No, it was definitely gold. Okay, so only Ariel so far is gold foiling. These are, all these other princesses are rose gold. That's so pretty. Right, it's starting to like kind of go through the same pattern here of like some like vertical boxes, and then like the full figures, and then just repeats from there. Right, again, going back to the vertical boxes, here's Rapunzel. Hello today, have a brave heart. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. If you can dream it, you can do it. Explore more, create a life you love. Right, and then again, the figures, just like with the others. This one is gold, not rose gold. So pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And then again, here are the boxes with the functional boxes with the, not lines, but like dot grid and graph inside. And then here are some more box type quotes. and use those to layer, so I love that. Right, here's Jasmine. This sticker, I am just like struck by this one. This one's really beautiful to me. The world is mine. Have grace, courage is golden, always be true to you. Right? Like this one right there. That's stunning to me. I love the colors in this. This is not as dark as some of the colors in the original sticker books that were part of the collaboration. These are more of a pastel color. So that might be more your vibe. And definitely for me, the illustrations are more my vibe. I really love that. I like this color purple, so I'm a fan of that one. Right, and then Aurora, never give up on your dreams, follow your heart. There's some repeated like quotes, just in a different color palette, which makes it good for you to kind of mix and match if you're interested in that. All right, so here's Aurora, just be kind, bold, and curious. She doesn't get like a full figure like silhouette that's foiled. And I don't recall that Jasmine did either, but this is gold foiling. Let me check on Jasmine. Yeah, she didn't have one that was her full body foiled. All right, here's Aurora. The world is mine. Right, free spirit, dream bigger, kindness is magic. All right, again, just some more quotes, some similar ones to the previous page. Right, and that is it. Okay, that is beautiful. I'm so excited about this sticker book. It's just, I feel like classier. Can I use that word? It's just more adult for sure than the previous release. I love the previous release, but you know, like they read a little bit more childish to me compared to this sticker book. So I'm really excited about this one. I hope you did as well. Be on the lookout for these to be releasing in your stores, especially if you're watching this video around the time that I publish it. This was an early release, an early put it out on the shelves even before the Happy Planner has previewed their items. So it's definitely not available, generally speaking. So don't be impatient. I think we will be able to get, everyone should be able to get their hands on it. I don't know that this was meant to be limited release. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel so that way you can see the other spring 2021 releases that I'll be posting in the near future. And until the next video, bye guys.